Dongguan Slocable Photovoltaic Technology Company, established in 2008, is a modern energy company specializing in manufacturing solar cable, solar connector, PV fuse holder, junction box, EV charging cable, battery connector, cable assembly, PV tools and accessories, and various types of photovoltaic system accessories, and providing smart energy management solutions for customers. We always adheres to R&D investment and technological innovation, and provides customers with best quality products and services through continuous improvement and innovation of products, strict control of quality management system, and after-sales service. By the end of May 2018, our solar cable and connector footprint has spread to more than 100 countries and regions around the world. We have obtained TUV and CE certificates and ISO 9001. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. With superior quality, design life for 25 years and a warranty for 5 years, Slocable is very confident to be your unique and better choice. We hope that we can work together to promote the development of global green business.